everybody. It's Saturday. It's Cars and Coffee. Let's head over to Brooklyn Bagels.
I can't roll down my window. So guess what?
We got a new.
I know what you're doing after Cars and Coffee.
We got a new window regulator in.
We did. We've only been dealing with this for a year.
Has it been a year? It's been like off and on. Yeah, like
it was rolling down. It just wouldn't roll up, and now we're at a certain
point. Now it won't roll down or roll down.
So we got another project. I think you were saying yesterday you have on every single vehicle you have at least something, a project that you need to do. That's the VW life, right?
Yep. Yeah, and I feel the brakes going to the floor on this thing.
Yeah, something's squeaking.
So,
good thing it's summer and we don't have much going on.
Yeah.
Race on the track, they take his standard plate off and put acid.
That is something incredible. Look how beautiful. That's a beautiful goal. I'll give you one.
I probably just need to drop it off and get all the seals redone. Like
this, I would probably, yeah, the boots need to be done.
It is.
1300 label on the outside. It has been there since day one. It hasn't moved. That's a big damn airplane, right?
Yeah.
Cars and Coffee has turned into Tech Day.
Yeah.
Hey, if Craig can,
I mean, technically.
degreased his.
Technically, potentially.
Yeah. You have less oil than I do, Craig. Does that mean you need oil?
No.
His fan shroud used to be white, right?
No. Everybody push. Looking back, the chop was a wise choice.
Going through holiday, guys going right between.
That was a lot of work, not to go faster.
Doing a wheelie. Yeah, I was like, looked over, like.
Is he gonna shoot sparks?
Hey, it runs like mine.
Did he put his Model A?
Almost there. That's down, all the way down. Yep.
Almost. Yeah, it is.
The belt's
Yeah, it's
super loose.
flooded. You can smell it. Let her sit just a hair. Way to go. Let's get out of here quick. Yeah. That belt's loose too.
That goes great.
Is it? Yeah. Hold on, let me see. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's super loose.
Yeah. It's
almost ready to come off.
That loose.
Did you do that on purpose? Quick removal? Looks. It's a mod.
Yeah, and some of those.
A loose belt mod.
I think you could do a.
Like the kids that wear their pants low.
second. Pop that baby.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah, good turnout. Even Tony showed up, which was awesome.
But it is hot.
Humidity is cranking right now, so we're just gonna roll on out. Tony has a little issue with his carburetor. The air filter looks a little, the air cleaner looks a little restrictive, so we're gonna slap another one on there, see if that changes anything for him. But I think that's where we're at now, and then we're gonna
Then
try.
it's time to get in the AC, and maybe later we'll work on the regulator.
Yep.
You know what would fix this?
New
Not
engine?
being a Volkswagen.
Yeah, we could put a Subaru engine in there.
That's true.
You know?
I heard they were in.
Right.
Look
Look at this, Tony.
Is it even gonna shut?
Sure. No, I got standoff.
Shit, I forget which one's mine.
Mine's the cleaner one, probably. Last time I had one of those, it flew off.
Fine. See if she runs.
Okay,
Actually, you know what?
alright.
Put the key on ACC real quick. Okay, yeah, I think the solenoids are working. Hold on. Yeah, you're good. All right, you can start it. Is it idling better?
The fact that it's idling is kind of a big deal.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a plus. Oh,
Dent that one too.
should I smash it? Is it like Green Monster? Sorry. Just push it out.
The original color is like some emerald green.
Like this green?
Like all the green anywhere that's rubbed off.
That was a metallic though. That's not. Can't be
But it's
the
like
original.
inside too. It's weird.
Yeah, it wouldn't be metallic though.
It was tight beforehand, now you're just
Well, I was just trying to break it.
being overzealous.
Yeah, I was trying to break it.
Let's... Oh, it's locked. That's how the video started. So we might make it in here. Oh. Ooh. It's like a race car.
Racy.
Ooh. Sounds sexy.
Yeah, she's a little mean.
But a ding 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 ding
Ding
ding.
ding ding ding. Yeah, we don't want the sun on.
In case you guys are wondering, those dancers' legs of mine.
Oh, those are pretty.
Thank you.
Those are
Pretty awesome.
pretty awesome. Now I know you're not gonna believe it, but there's some lights, warning lights on in here.
On the dash. That's how you can tell it runs though.
That's true.
Between ABS and a airbag light, it's probably fine.
Is that important?
Yeah.
It's actually idling.
Worse than ever.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Oh, so it's probably gonna lose. Yeah. It lost.
Lost boost.
Well, when that comes on.
Oh, and then the wipers come on.
But when you shut it off and turn it back on, it resets.
It's cool. It's got that Fast and Furious issue.
Not this one, yeah.
Yeah, look at that, guys.
That didn't do it this time. See that?
But he's going to restart it,
I'm gonna restart it.
and it's going to be there again.
Watch this.
Oh.
See that? And then you just keep driving.
There's cars coming. This is going to be good.
Go. See? It's another car coming. Oh, see that?
Oh.
Oh. Oops. See, it's just not picking up. The run's pretty good. Oops.
It sounds good.
It's slow.
It sounds nasty. I mean, it's no Fiat.
It's no Fiat. The Abarth. The Abarth. The Fiat.
Maybe very.
Yeah. I can hear the brakes like catching.
There's a lot of teal on some of these houses over here.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, just cruising around.
Just cruising.
What's a trap house?
Yeah. Trap. This car is a trap. It's a death trap. You know? It's like, you should try driving this thing, Tony.
Oh no, it seems like it's quality entertainment.
Yeah. See, the gauge isn't even really boosting. But it picks up, man. This thing is it's quick.
I wouldn't gauge it as a
Yeah. Well, I'm trying
car that was faster.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the light on again.
Oh,
See?
I'm trying not to boost my ego.
Yeah, you guys don't
You know
see
what's
that.
weird?
Boost
The light
your
is
ego.
up. Yeah. So
Oh, shit.
the that light, when that comes on, I have no gas, like pedal, no gas pedal.
Oh,
And it's actually
That's
some
pretty
pedal in
cool.
there. Yeah, it's different. You know, I know.
it's a weird feature. Oh, it fucking moves.
Well, not yet. It's still not boosting the way it is. We'll see.
That was a good pull though.
Yeah, but it
For what it
pulls
is.
a lot harder than that.
Giggity.
Giggity. Once it's running, it's idle now, Tony. You should.
That's just a suggestion, guys. It says to stop.
Yeah.
At one time, I was told it was fine.
Yeah, because it's not even spinning tires. It would be.
Nice.
But yeah,
It's been pleasant.
I think you should drive it, Tony.
You think?
I think so.
I don't know if that's a good idea.
No,
Oh my!
Is it about to die, Tony?
It's about to die.
Well, it's almost a little bit there, but I don't see the.
But I was taking off at first and leaving it.
Oh. You definitely don't feel the jerk it's supposed to have. The jerk.
Nice.
Giggity.
Should have went somewhere without speed bumps.
Yeah, is that good? What I'm gonna do, it says that these
That's first gear. Oh, there it goes. See, it caught look, that one time.
Yeah,
I felt
just-
like it caught to go.
yeah, just a little bit.
Is it the fuel rail?
I don't know. So I think it's the ECU. Everything is replaced from engine and transmission from another 20th thrown in here. But the only thing that wasn't replaced was the ECU. So when you put the other engine in here, the timing belts are replaced, all the water pump, all the seals, gaskets, everything's done, and still run exactly the same.
Does it need to be tuned?
Probably. So
It's like that
also,
first gear, it feels like it wants to die.
yeah, another issue is these, I guess the ECUs can get wet and stuff like that on these Mark IVs, giggity, corrode a little bit. So I was gonna take the ECU out, check the pins, see if there's any corrosion in there. I don't know.
It's like right there, I could have taken off.
Yeah,
But now you hear it.
yeah. When you give it gas, it disappears. When you let it
Yeah.
go,
The engine's not rocking, right?
no. I mean, you could probably take it up on like on the main Massachusetts
That's what I was gonna do. See, I should have.
or Main Street.
I'm so bad where I am.
You could go if you want to cut here or go all the way around and go, but left would probably be better here,
Yeah, make a left here.
and then make a right at the light and see if you can get on it. See if it'll. Yeah, see, it's just like,
Should you go left or right?
right. I mean, you can take.
You have enough gas in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's 3/4 full.
You didn't sound so confident first. You're like,
yeah, I guess we'll find out. Let's see. Sounds great, doesn't it?
Sounds like it's about to explode. Look, that core grind.
The only thing that doesn't work are the cooling fans.
Oh. 6-speed? No, it's fine.
Yeah, 6-speed.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's cool. Is there I can make a UE here.
Or you could take 19 and get on it. It's up to you if you want to. You can make a left or a right. Don't matter.